Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of advanced dental care with the Oral-B Series 6 Plus Edition Electric Toothbrush, designed by Braun. This cutting-edge toothbrush is engineered to remove 100% more plaque in just 1 week, promoting 190% healthier gums with its most advanced technology yet. Featuring an interactive display, you can easily select from 5 personalized cleaning modes: daily cleaning, sensitive, whitening, gum protection, and intensive cleaning, while tracking your brushing time and battery level. The Oral-B app, powered by artificial intelligence, ensures you never miss a spot by providing real-time feedback for optimal brushing. With its unique I/O pressure control, the toothbrush lights up red for too much pressure, white for too little, and green for the perfect pressure, ensuring effective and gentle cleaning every time. The round brush heads, trusted by dentists worldwide, reach all areas for a comprehensive clean, while the long-lasting lithium-ion battery and travel case make it perfect for use at home or on the go. Experience the future of oral hygiene with the Oral-B Series 6 Plus Edition, where innovation meets personalized dental care. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.